Hey there, it's Jeremy Wilson of Jeremy Wilson Insurance, and today, like most of the United States, I'm stuck at home. The governor of Idaho, Brad Little, has issued as of yesterday our stay-at-home orders, and so I have moved everything from my office to my home office, which is my guest room. So I finally get an office with a view. Anyhow, what I wanted to do, since I'm going to be stuck inside for the next 21 days, is I really kind of focus on some social media content. I promised to do educational videos or tips and tricks videos, and so this is the first in that series. What I want to talk about today is the bane of our healthcare existence. It's prescriptions. We've all had that prescription that costs hundreds of dollars, and if it weren't for a copay, we'd probably have lost our house just trying to get the medication we needed. This video is going to offer my tips and tricks on how to save money when it comes to prescriptions. There's a few things that you can do to either curb those costs or maybe even eliminate them completely that you may not know about. Tip number one is a simple website. And most of you have probably heard of it. You may not have gone there yet, but it's called GoodRx.com. GoodRx.com. This website is a simple coupon-based website that is a free membership, and you don't even have to be a member. A lot of times you can just go on the website and click Get Coupon, and you can get a free coupon to save money. And you put in your zip code, and it's going to tell you where the cheapest prescriptions are near your zip code. It's an amazing tool. I recommend it to anyone out there who has any kind of prescription. It's going to help you find the best deal straight up. And that works with all insurance plans. There are some pharmacies that say you either get your GoodRx discount or you get your copay. If you're on a fixed indemnity plan, if you don't know what that is, let me know and I'll explain it. But it's typically a plan that pays a fixed amount towards prescriptions. If you're on that kind of a plan and they say GoodRx or your plan benefit, a trick you might not know is go ahead and use the GoodRx coupon, get your receipt and submit that to your insurance company, and then they'll reimburse you that cost up to their specified amount that they cover for that. So that is tip number one on saving some money on your prescriptions. Tip number two, and this is a big one that a lot of people don't realize. We are very trusting of our doctors and our hospitals, and we need to be. The problem with that is anytime you're in a situation where somebody makes money off of recommending something to you, you have to be a little suspect and you got to ask the right questions, because the rate at which a lot of doctors are prescribing medications is downright scary. And if you want to get on one of the better medically underwritten plans, if you're taking 2-3 prescriptions for depression or anxiety, for example, a lot of those underwritten plans will not accept you because of multiple medications. They want to know things like why. Why does it take 3 medications if it's mild anxiety? And so my second tip in terms of saving money on prescriptions is asking your doctor to try one thing at a time and to use generics first. A lot of the times when they're just throwing darts at the dartboard hoping that it's going to land in the bullseye, they are just prescribing, for one, the brand name, because we all have this fascination with brand name stuff. Gucci, I don't know, Prada. You pick the brand name, but there's just a prestige with something that's brand name. And oftentimes it does work better. That's why it's typically 15, 20 times the cost of the generic. But in most cases, generics will work just fine. So ask your doctor first to use the generic and only one at a time. Not only is that going to save you money on the prescriptions, that may give you access to health plans that will save you money on premium and give you better coverage. So that's tip number two. My last tip, tip number three, that most people don't realize is that if you are stuck, if you've talked to your doctor and he's tried different medications and the brand name is the only one that works, and that brand name drug happens to be $300, $500, $700 a month, but you need it to get on with your life, a lot of the times The brand name, the manufacturer will have coupons that if you go directly to their website, you can get on some kind of subsidy program. And usually the only requirement is that you already have some form of insurance that covers prescriptions. They call it commercial health insurance. So as long as the plan that you have is commercial and the prescription coverage is built in, then you can get on these subsidized options for these expensive name brand drugs. So if you need help finding that manufacturer website, if you need help finding a commercial plan that is going to give you access to that, feel free to reach out. Contact me, let me know. I can help you shop plans in your area and find you what's going to fit you best. And we can do a one-on-one. I can help you find the best deal on prescriptions and kind of help you through that situation. So that's it for today, guys. That's my 3 tips on how to save money with prescriptions. I hope you found it helpful. Again, if you want a one-on-one or any kind of consultation on your health insurance or how to save money on prescriptions, just reach out. My email, my phone number are all going to be listed below. So I hope you have a great day. Stay safe out there. Stay in your house for now until we get the all clear, and blessings to you. Be well. I'm quarantined. I have moved all my stuff from my home office, medical, health coverage, healthcare,